Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2011 GMC Sierra with the SLE package, and it is a 2500 with the Duramax engine. So first off, got a custom heavy duty bumper on the front with the Light Force lights, aftermarket lights in there. Got the 18-inch wheels, aftermarket. Tires probably look to be about 50%. Comes with the flares, the running boards as well. Looks like everything's been covered in a rock guard as well. It is an extended cab, pretty close to the double cab. Yeah, couple little chips there. Got the bulletproof mud flaps. On the back here, we do have a bulletproof rear bumper as well, so it's all custom with lights, and the sensors are all put in place as well too. It does come with a backup camera, box liner, and it does have rails for a fifth wheel hitch if needed. Just moving down this side, a little bit of flaking there, but it is a 2011. Just coming down the side here. Overall, for a 2011, it's in pretty good shape, and it's got a lot of custom aftermarket accessories on it. Next, we'll go inside and go over the features of the interior. So inside this 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 with the SLE package and the Duramax engine, just want to cover some of the features of the interior. So first off, we'll start over here. Of course, it has power windows, child locking windows, power adjustable mirrors. Over here, it has the automatic headlights. You have your control for your driver information center up front. Below that, we have our integrated trailer brake down below here. Now over to the steering wheel, we do have volume control on the back, cruise control out front, and then your Bluetooth control is here as well, and also you can pick your source for your radio. Now it does come with satellite radio, AM, FM. It comes with a CD player, and in 2011 we had that, kind of becoming somewhat obsolete, but we do have it in this 2011. Down below we have automatic climate control. Your four-wheel drive control is here, and below that we've pedal adjustment, park assist sensor, disable, traction control, and stability track, and then it does come with an exhaust brake for that diesel engine, and a couple charging ports here as well. The backup camera, it does have one, and it is located up here in the mirror, so that's a little different than what it is now, but that's the way it was then. And then here we have our OnStar buttons, which is part of our safety program. The interior is actually in really good shape. It is the bench seat with the drop-down console here, but it is in really good shape, and with just 122,000 kilometers. So low kilometers for a 2011, and it's obviously been well looked after inside. Before I leave the front seat here, it does come with the floor liners, which is always great to help protect that carpet. But let's jump in the back and we'll go over the condition of the rear seat. So I'm in the back seat of this 2011 GMC Sierra 2500, and the back seat is in really good shape. There's no tears or rips or burns. It's been well looked after. And again, pointing out that it does have those floor liners that I mentioned up front, and a great little add-on to help protect the carpet. But again, the condition is overall, and you can see it is that extended cab with the suicide style doors. But yeah, everything looks to be in great shape. So let's meet up front and we'll close out this video. So there you have it, 2011 GMC Sierra 2500 with the Duramax engine, and it has lots of custom aftermarket accessories, and it's in great shape for the year. As I mentioned inside, it has just over 122,000 kilometers, so low kilometers for the year, and lots of life left in that Duramax engine. If you have any questions on this truck, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328.